Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the Alibaba scraper works. So if you purchase the software, you will get the software and it's going to be something like this. Here there is a menu that contains all the different modules that we have so far, which will be 145. You could go into e-commerce modules and then you will have to go to Alibaba scraper, and here you can see the window that you will get. In this case, to start working with it, you are going to type in, or you are going to type in here the keyword that you want. In this case, let's say we're looking for chairs. We click on Open Firefox, and basically we're going to open it. Once we finish, there is a button there to close it as well. And here, let's say we search for the chair. This is going to go and look for chairs. So you can see here are all the different chairs. What we need to do now, we just need to click on extract. Click on extract, and this is going to extract all the different products from the list. Now, if you want to extract more, you could just click on second page and then click search again, and then click on extract again. If you want more information or or more products. In this case, this is going to give you the title, the price of the product URL, what is the minimum order, who is the seller URL, the response rate, who is how many suppliers, how many years the supplier has, and an image URL. In case you wanted to get the company URL, you could just go and do get company URL, and that is going to go and get you the company URL for this product, or for this seller actually. And then you could click on this and go and look for the company URL. You could also click on this button, and then it's going to go and search this seller into Google. So I'm just going to click it so you can see what happened. And here it's going to look for the product, and then you could find it there, or it's going to be in one of these ones. Obviously, depending on the seller, it's going to show you if it has a page or not, or you could just click on this and visit the company URL directly, which is going to open up here. And this was the page that we just extracted, and you will be able to see the information for that company. In this case, this is loading, so maybe the website's down, that's why it doesn't show up. But if it were valid, it will be showing up there. So let's just go for another one. Get company URL, and then visit company URL. And this one is actually working. So you can see that's the product, that's the seller website. So you could go and contact them in case you want to work with them. And so that's basically how it works, guys. So if you have a URL, let's say we come back here and you have this URL, let's just copy that, and you wanted to extract the information based on a page, you could do page number 3 here, navigate, and that is going to go and navigate to the page number 3. You see that it's the page number 3, and then you can click extract, and then you will get all the information for the page number 3 in case you want to search by URL. You also, whenever you select the product, you can click on visit product, and that is going to go and visit the product for you, so you could see more information about the product. Obviously, whenever you select the product, it's going to show a small image on the side, so you can see what that product looks like. So as you can see, the image is there and the image is there. So that's basically how this Alibaba scraper works. If you want to get it, you could do so in autopostingtools.com. Thank you for watching. Finally, just click on Firefox, close Firefox.